And if the gentleman will bear with me just for a minute, I would appreciate it. I wanted to show a poster or two to kind of put the spending, the so-called stimulus, in perspective. And my colleagues will look at this first poster, and the question at the top says, can you afford to pay for the Democratic spending bill? And basically at $825 billion, the economic stimulus plan that's sailing through Congress would cost each American family more than $10,000 on average. More than $10,000.
Reclaiming my time.
In fact, $10,500, and yes, yielding back to the gentleman.
Reclaiming my time, you're saying this is $10,000 for every family in America is what this thing is going to cost?
Exactly. The gentleman will yield further. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. And to put that in more perspective, the average family for food, clothing, and health care, an expensive line item in the family budget, food, clothing, and health care, they spend $10,400, and for shelter, $11,600. So look, fully a third of that cost is what we're putting on the backs. Listen, colleagues on both sides of the aisle, wouldn't we be better off just giving every family in America a check for $3,000? And we could probably end up doing it a whole lot cheaper than $825 billion, and by golly, that would work. So that's what we're trying to do here tonight, Mr. Speaker, is just point out that there's a better way of doing this. We in the Republican minority, who have not been included, not been asked, except asked to vote for this thing, no questions asked, no amendments, we do have a better idea.